The forthcoming generation of high-performance tablets from Apple is poised to redefine what professionals and creatives can expect from portable computing. Rumors and leaks swirling around the new iteration of the iPad Pro suggest it will be powered by Apple's blisteringly fast M5 processor, potentially hitting the market earlier than many anticipated. This advancement marks another step in Apple's ongoing quest to push the limits of what a tablet can achieve. Earlier in 2024, Apple unveiled a substantial redesign of its flagship tablet. The refresh introduced a form factor that stunned many, an incredibly thin chassis that felt almost impossibly sleek given the performance packed inside. The smaller variant came in at just over 5 mm thick, while the larger model shaved off even more to reach an astonishingly slim profile. But the engineering marvel wasn't just skin deep. Apple equipped the refreshed tablet with its first-ever OLED display using LTPO technology, marking a significant leap forward in display quality. The OLED panel brought deep, true blacks, spectacular color vibrancy, and an exceptionally fluid experience thanks to advanced refresh rate technology. For those fortunate enough to experience this screen in person, the improvement over previous models is undeniable. It set a new benchmark in the tablet market, winning praise from professionals who rely on accurate color reproduction and responsive touch performance. While the current lineup features the M4 chip, which delivers ample muscle for multitasking and demanding creative tasks, the software has struggled in the past to fully harness the raw capability of Apple Silicon, but with the forthcoming iPadOS 26 update, that gap is closing. Early testers have already noted significant enhancements in how windows are managed, how apps communicate, and in overall system fluidity. Looking forward, the upcoming model featuring the M5 chip is expected to build on this foundation. Historically, Apple rarely revamps hardware design in back-to-back cycles. Instead, refinements focus on boosting performance, fine-tuning power management, and improving display characteristics. That trend is expected to continue with the next iteration. The core look will remain much the same, ultra-slim, lightweight, and modern, but internally, the device will get a significant boost thanks to the M5 processor. Sources close to the supply chain hint that the M5 chip will elevate artificial intelligence processing, graphics rendering, and power efficiency. Video editors, 3D artists, and engineers who rely on heavy applications should notice the performance leap immediately. There's also speculation that Apple will offer multiple tiers of the M5 chip, differentiating base models from higher-end configurations with extra GPU cores or enhanced neural processing units. This modular approach could allow professionals to tailor their purchase to their specific workflow needs. Memory capacity remains a hot topic in the creative community, with the current baseline of 8 GB considered insufficient for many apps. Insiders suggest that the new version might double the base memory to 16 GB, with premium models potentially reaching 24 GB. Such a boost would bring this tablet closer to parity with MacBook Pros, especially when combined with iPadOS 26's improved multitasking capabilities. Imagine handling massive layered design projects, high-resolution video edits, and complex data work all on a feather-light device without missing a beat. Battery efficiency improvements are also expected, with the M5 chip designed on a more refined fabrication process that balances raw horsepower with lower energy draw. This could lead to longer working sessions without the need for a power outlet, which is invaluable for field photographers, digital nomads, and creators constantly on the move. Another critical piece of the puzzle is the evolving software landscape. Apple continues to blur the lines between tablet and desktop experiences by bringing powerful applications from macOS into the iPad ecosystem. Upcoming versions of apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro are tailored specifically for iPadOS harnessing touch and pencil input while retaining professional-grade feature sets. There's also word of deeper integration with macOS features, making moving files, projects, and workflows between devices seamless. Timing-wise, Apple traditionally unveils major hardware updates for its tablets in the fall or spring. Analysts predict the M5-powered iPad Pro could debut before the end of 2025, aligning with Apple's typical product cadence. Pricing will likely remain in the same ballpark as the current generation, although users may see greater value for money if baseline specifications, especially RAM, get a bump. For professionals weighing whether this device could replace their laptop, the signs are increasingly promising. Apple seems intent on positioning the iPad Pro not merely as a companion device, but as a standalone workhorse. The improved multitasking, more robust memory options, and hardware muscle mean it might soon rival or exceed what many expect from an ultra-portable laptop. Critics will undoubtedly continue to question whether a tablet, regardless of power, can truly replace a laptop in every professional context. Issues like external display support, flexible input methods, and software parity with desktop-class systems still loom large, yet each generation of iPad Pro has chipped away at those doubts. The M5 iteration, combined with a maturing iPad and powerful creative apps, looks set to push this conversation further than ever before, even for those outside high-end professional work. The new model promises improvements that matter in daily use: faster app switching, more fluid gaming experiences, better video streaming, and enhanced battery life are all likely benefits. Students, teachers, small business owners, and casual creators will also find themselves with a tool that handles a dizzying array of tasks, from research to illustration to video calls. The iPad Pro's appeal has always rested on its blend of sleek design, potent performance, and unrivaled portability. With the expected upgrades, it seems poised to reinforce that reputation and take on an even bigger role in users' digital lives. Whether editing large video projects, managing complex spreadsheets, or sketching out the next great design concept, the M5-powered iPad Pro appears ready to handle it all without compromise. As the year progresses, more leaks, hands-on reviews, and first-look videos will provide a clearer picture of precisely what Apple has in store. But if the rumors prove accurate, the next iPad Pro could mark a pivotal moment in tablet evolution, bringing the dream of a true laptop replacement within reach for an even broader audience. In sum, the forthcoming tablet promises to be slimmer, faster, and more capable than anything Apple has released so far, combined with an ever more sophisticated operating system and deeper integration with the broader Apple ecosystem. It represents Apple's clearest statement yet that the future of computing is not bound to traditional laptops. Instead, it's a fluid, touch-based, stylus-friendly experience built around devices like the iPad Pro. Stay tuned as this story continues to unfold, and prepare to rethink what a tablet can do in your hands.